Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we all love laddoos, especially when they are homemade. It's definitely a delight. So today I'm going to share a very nice healthy laddu recipe. This is coconut sesame laddu, otherwise known as coconut Til Laddu. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the coconut sesame laddus, first I'm going to roast 1 cup of sesame seeds. This is a 250 ml cup. This is roughly about 120 grams. Just roast it till you get a nice light golden color. Maintaining the flame on a medium, roast the sesame seeds. So you can see the sesame seeds are a light golden color. This is a good time to turn off the stove and keep this aside. So just transfer it to a plate and cool the sesame seeds. So next I am adding half cup of roasted peanuts. This is without skin. I am just going to roast it just for about 1 to 2 minutes. So after roasting it for about 2 minutes, keep this aside. So next to the pan I am adding 3/4 cup of dry desiccated coconut. It's best to use the dry desiccated coconut for this recipe. Just roast it till it turns to a lovely golden color. So you can see it's turned to a lovely golden color. It turns pretty quickly, so be careful, you don't want to burn the coconut. Turn off the stove at this point and keep this aside. Once you've roasted all the ingredients, make sure you cool it completely. So next we're going to blend all the ingredients together for the laddu mixture. Now I'm using a food processor to blend this, but you can also use a mixer jar. So add the roasted sesame seeds. Next add the roasted peanuts. First I'm going to blend these two together. So first grind it to a nice coarse mixture. Next add the roasted desiccated coconut. 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. So now you can see the ingredients have been ground to a nice coarse mixture. Now I am going to finally add the jaggery. Now I have just grated the jaggery, so it will be easy to grind. I have taken about 3/4 cup. So all the measurement is done from a 250 ml cup. So you can see when all the mixture starts binding together like this. So when you hold it, you should be able to bind the mixture. This is a good indication that the mixture is ready. So I'm just going to transfer into a bowl. So I didn't make it too fine, like a fine powder. It will have a nice nutty texture to it. So next I'm just going to add a little ghee. You can first add about 1 tablespoon of ghee, and if you need more you can always add a little extra later. So just mix it all in. The mixture smells amazing with the smell of sesame, coconut and the peanuts. Oh, I can't actually wait to eat those laddoos. They are too tempting now. So after you've mixed the ghee, so you can see, so this is nice, it's binding very well. Take a little bit of the mixture that you can hold in your palm and just keep rolling it until you get a lovely round laddu. So as you can see, it's very easy to make and makes for a perfect snack. So you can make this in small batches and you can store it for up to 2 to 3 days. You can leave it out, but if you want to store it for a longer time, you can refrigerate it and you can enjoy it. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.